I want to ask you about the vibe. I know मैं नुपुर से past life regression की बात बहुत करना चाहिए. She said, but मैं करती नहीं हूँ. That's true. You used to do this earlier.
I used to do it earlier. I do it sometimes now and then. I know the subject and I kind of, yeah.
I'm bringing this up for two reasons. Because एक तो one of the best things about staying in Mustard House and if you stay there is because एक तो you'll have the experience of the fact that इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी चीज़ क्रिएट की है. The vibe is beautiful. जो दूसरी चीज़ है, आप जब नुपुर के साथ बैठते हैं, something आपको कुछ ना कुछ या तो सीखने को मिलेगा या करने को मिलेगा, और नुपुर will give you some insight. From that perspective, if somebody comes and spends that time आपके साथ, about saying नुपुर मैं आपके साथ 3 दिन रहने के लिए आया हूँ, I know आप past life regression अब नहीं करते, but मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ. What would that conversation be?
So basically there are two things, you know, when you're doing, it's basically a clinical hypnotherapy, right? The subject, I mean, it's a way of healing. Clinical hypnotherapy is through the subconscious mind or the conscious mind. So your subconscious mind is related to your past life and your conscious mind is related to your age regression. Past life regression and age regression, right? So let's talk about past life regression. So basically you have a conscious mind, you have a subconscious mind, and you have a primitive subconscious mind. So your primitive subconscious mind hai. So in Hinduism they say you're never born and you never die, right? Atma amar hai. So हमारी लाइफ में एंड कर्मा, वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट कर्मा, कि आपके कर्म ठीक करिए, क्योंकि आप अपना कर्म ठीक करेंगी तो आपकी आगे की ज़िंदगी ठीक होगी. What does that mean essentially? That from where we are coming, from our previous life to our previous life, what karmas that we have done, right? Everything is a debit and a credit that you keep doing with people, with anybody that you meet. So past life में ये होता है कि अगर आपकी इस लाइफ में, if you're going through any sort of fears, phobias, some patterns, bipolar behavior, things like that, it is connected to your past life. You know, when you go into a past life regression, you will find your answers there. Phobias कैसे होंगे? अगर 3 साल का बच्चा है, 2 साल का बच्चा है, उसे किसी चीज़ से बहुत फोबिया हो रहा है, अब उसने ज़िंदगी शुरुआत ही नहीं करी, but she is carrying some phobia, she is carrying some fear, right? So those things come from past life. And past life, the biggest thing is how did you die? So when we do our therapy and everything, we get the person to the deathbed. अगर आप suicide हो गया या वैसे मर गए, कुछ, you know, things like plague and all those things, whatever happened in your earlier lives, so you carry all those things in your current life. Body pains. So there was somebody who came to me who used to have acute body pain on his right side, a colleague of mine, on his right side chest. He said, "No, I don't know why it's happening. You know, maybe college में किसी ने मुझे box किया होगा." So I did his past life regression and he saw that he was in some village in Uttarakhand in 1865 where he was attacked by a tiger. He saw that whole story that he had pug marks here and then, you know, and his family died, his wife and everything. And he also saw his life only till 36. So ऐसी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपकी previous life में होती हैं and they connected to your this life. For me also, like a spiritual person, when I saw this whole shift in energy in myself, you know, moving towards a lot of spirituality, a lot of bhakti and everything, I wanted to know what's happening to me. Because suddenly to me, maybe over a period of 5-6 years, I got my past life regression done as well in Gurgaon. And that's why I got, you know, kind of connected to the subject. So I was a Buddhist monk in my previous life, like 1854 to 1942. So मैंने अपनी पूरी जर्नी देखी कि I was a Buddhist monk and this and see Paras where am I today, sitting today.
When you say journey देखिए कैसा लगता है? Super HD, Ultra HD, 4K, मतलब do you feel it? जैसे for example इसका मेरा
Bioscope.
But I know it sounds like a silly question, but जैसे जब आप सपना देखते हैं, आप actually एक movie देख रहे हैं, मतलब मेरे को सामने दिख रहा है. Past life regression में आपको सामने दिखता है या महसूस होता है?
So you see everything. So basically it's a deep state of meditation. Like I will get you to lie down. I will do first a blue light meditation where you go into deep state of meditation and then there is a certain other module that you follow. And the person is the deepest state of mind and I will ask you, I will be the navigator. I will keep asking you questions. So Paras, what do you see now? What is around you? Describe yourself. Describe your shoes. Describe your hair. What is around you? So you will say, okay, fine, I see this, and then you will only tell me that this is what you are.
And in that state, आप conscious है, ऐसे नहीं कि आप सो गए हैं.
No, you're very conscious. You will record everything. So when you come out of this past life regression, you will remember exactly what you were spoken about. So for me, like I was coming back to this, see where am I sitting today? I'm sitting in the energy field of Dalai Lama. Mm-hmm. My monk has brought me across India. He's got me closest to Dalai Lama, the only Buddhist monk here. So somewhere, at some stage, your soul wants to move into a journey where he or she wants to feel very comfortable with the vibe and everything. Mm-hmm. But I was looking at Tirthan Valley, I was looking at Kullu for a homestay, kabhi Mukteshwar bhi dekh rahi thi, kabhi kahin. But my soul got me to Dharamkot, which I didn't know till like age of 54. The Dharamkot existed, right? I just knew Baklaudganj was there, and I'd been there only once. But my soul knew that there is a place where he's going to, and I was a male. My name is Morocco.
You come to know that detail.
Yeah, my name.
आधार कार्ड की फोटो निकली थी उससे.
So my name is Morocco. I was 36 years old when I saw myself. 1854, I was in Hemis, I was in Leh. So I'm very keen to actually go back to Hemis and Leh, and because Hemis has been there since 1620.
What is Hemis?
Hemis is a monastery in Leh.
Okay.
It's a monastery in Leh. So I was in that monastery in Leh, and I was a farmer's child. What I saw. And then the monks took me and all those things happened. So it's a beautiful subject. I mean, I think, and it empowers you.
And last question about this before we move on is, जैसे कि just when I go to my therapist, I'm going for a certain reason. आप hypnosis करते हैं एक certain reason के लिए करते हैं. Past life regression करने का मकसद क्या है? उससे why does anyone do
So
it?
basically, say for example, if you have a phobia of water or anything else, so when you do that past life regression for a person like that, you will go with the intent of going into that past life. कि जहाँ पे आपकी मृत्यु हुई है पानी से, या कुछ आपके संग वाटर के संग हुआ है, या कोई फोबिया आपका क्रिएट होगा. So then towards before ending the session, you will give a therapy to that person, saying that the water was, you were there, you fell down, you became okay, you swam out of it. So there's a full sort of therapy that you do depending on the subject ki wo whatever the person is telling you. So you will give healing through that whole process before you close the subject, and you say, okay, now we integrate the energy back of so and so person, powers back into this life, and we bring you out. But before that, you do a lot of healing for the person to get over that phobia.
And you're going to the source of the trauma कि भाई तुम्हारे साथ पिछले जन्म में ये हुआ था.
And ये age regression के साथ भी होता है. So whatever, even there's something called womb regression. The people that might be seeing when you're as a child, when your child is in the womb, you can hear everything. So people have some traumas through the womb as well. And age regression, whatever happened at the age of 8, 9, 10, say you had gone to school and you're standing on stage, somebody, okay, you start stammering, for example, and you couldn't speak well, and people were hurling, things at you or things like that. So you will carry that phobia of stage fright even now. Mm-hmm. If you're fat, maybe people are dark, whatever, people ridiculed you. So you will have that law of association will come in. So whenever you go on stage, your subconscious mind will record that. And your subconscious mind from the age of 2 to whatever age you are, everything is recorded in their subconscious mind. So as a therapist, what we do is, in age regression, we rewrite the whole script. We again take you into a deep state of meditation, and we say that, okay, you were drowning in water, but you didn't drown, and everything was okay. There was somebody came and helped you. You were swimming freely. You had a great time. Then this and that. So you create a whole scenario for the person, saying that you did not drown. You were absolutely okay. And then you give affirmations before you close the session. Then I'm absolutely okay. I'm not scared of water. You do it, say 3-4 times. And the mind is such a beautiful thing that it records everything. So when you come out of the session, you start feeling better. It's not that first session mein ho jata hai, people ka bahut zyada deep seated, it could be 2 sessions or whatever. But a lot of people start feeling better. I mean, I got it done for myself. Crossing roads, I had a problem. But I got it done for me and I was quite okay.
क्यों बंद कर दिया आपने करना?
Past life regression. Because I was so busy with these 2 homestays, my pickle work going on, the mustard women. So, it takes a lot of energy out of me also. I need to prepare myself for 1.5 hours, and then the person itself. So I need to be fair. So maybe अभी थोड़ी सी और यात्रा चल रही है और 2-3 साल में when I'm little more this thing, then I'll probably be doing that only.
मेरे टैरो कार्ड जहाँ पढ़े हुए मैं टैरो अपने तो हमेशा पढ़ता हूँ. मैंने लोगों का टैरो पढ़ना बिल्कुल बंद कर दिया. बिल्कुल ही बंद कर दिया. बिकॉज मैं सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, व्हेन आई वुड रीड एनीवन एल्सेस टैरो नूपुर, जो मैं थक जाता था. इफ आई वुड इवन रीड फॉर 15 minutes, आई वुड जस्ट बी एग्जॉस्टेड.
करेक्ट.
तो नाउ आई जस्ट व्हेन समबडी सेज कैन यू रीड माय टैरो, मैं बोलता हूँ मेरे को तो आता ही नहीं है.
I know. Yeah. So for me also same. You get very exhausted, Yeah. So I always feel that कुछ चीज़ करने के लिए कुछ चीज़ छोड़नी पड़ती है in life. You can't do everything. You can't fix everything. You can't put everything together. So then you are not even 100% here. You're not even 100% there. And something like a passive regression, when you're working with people's minds and the souls actually, not even the minds, you need to be 110% there.
Correct.
So